Nothing under the sun shakes us anymore. We are a people who see beyond setbacks. Years ago, we had to start all over again.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and interesting video here on the channel. So, Rudeboy reconciled with his wife as he was spotted picking up his two lovely twins and their elder brother from school in somewhere in the US. At the same time, here on the channel, we'll be sharing a video of the live lager beer social ads that just came out between Yul Edochie and his father, Pete Edochie. Like, it is a moment of Nduka life, Nduka, which holds the eastern part of Nigeria. If you're celebrating this weekend, celebrate it with a bottle of live lager beer and enjoy greatness beyond boundaries. So guys, without wasting much of your time to this unique and delighting ads and video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share comments in the comment section.
Setbacks, they are not new to us. Nothing under the sun shakes us anymore. We are a people who see beyond setbacks. Years ago, we had to start all over again. It was tough, but we rebuilt every patch from scratch. Piece by piece, bit by bit, sweat upon sweat. From small steps to giant strides, we made progress for ourselves, coming back from the impossible.
To build our own empires, carve our name in history, and inspire generations to progress. Our impact has felt across the globe like a loud gong of hope. Our fathers never gave up, nor will we. We shall continue to make a resounding name for ourselves and those that come after us. Like our people say, Ife demma, onyeze, ike di nafagi. Abu onyeze, kiwa bundo, udosiako, adadiorama, ijele, ezege, ezedike, wane, turugolota.
That interesting story of a people with love, resilience, creativity, and great mindset to succeed, always making a difference in every nation and every state you find them. Anyway guys, that's by the way. The other video here is about Rudeboy. Rudeboy had issues with his family, his wife particularly, and they've not been in good talking terms for a while now. And this video showcased online recently shows that they are back together as he was spotted picking up his two lovely kids from school in the US. The father, who did not really say anything serious about the whole issue, is fully happy and celebrating the reunion of his loving family. Anyway guys, without saying much, watch the video. Don't forget to share comments.
Hi.
Papa!
How are you?
Good.
Are you shocked?
Hi.
Camera guy, I saw you.
I started because I thought they were
You could see that wonderful moment, reunion between father, son, and a beloved wife there. Anyway, this ad is credited to Life Lager Beer, life.ng, and all materials produced here are materials of Life Lager Beer. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, for not just promotional purpose, for supporting our culture, for supporting the love and the lifestyle of every Igbo man out there. I decided to do this. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment in the comments.